All right, guys, so we are going to be talking about open houses and as a lender, what my job actually is being in the open house. So a lot of you guys come in and we're just the shadow, right? You have a beautiful spot, then you are sitting behind the real estate agent, just kind of waiting for them to do whatever they're going to do, and then we kind of jump in. However, here's what happens in our system. Okay, our job is actually to do that initial conversation with the client and gather their information. Now, there's a couple of reasons why, and I'll actually share with you guys a little bit more as to how that's being done. But in reality, the whole entire premise of this is for us to actually take that initial conflict, that kind of uncomfortableness that happens initially when you're asking for somebody's information, and then the agent can actually build a different type of relationship with the client. So as a lender or a partner, my job is not to sell while I'm here. My job is literally just to gather the information and go on recon, essentially gathering notes and figuring out what the clients are going to need so we can actually do the follow-up afterwards. So that is essentially what our job is. Now we're going to be talking about a little bit more things and how to really do this and put this system in place, but that's going to be the first thing. Talk to you soon.